Hello and welcome to week 2. I'm going to walk you through assignment 2.2. Spoiler alert, the best thing to do is to do these before you watch this, right? So just click over there and go ahead and do it. If you're doing it on your desktop or laptop, that's great, then cut and paste. So a spoiler alert, but I'm going to show you how to do it because some of you in the forums have talked about how you're still a little lost, and that's okay. You're going to be lost. That's why I give you these, so that you don't get too stuck, because with repetition this all becomes second nature, and give yourself a couple more weeks and be like you'll know everything. So this is my last spoiler alert. So let's go take a look at assignment 2.2. So here I am, assignment 2.2. I'm going to go click into the AutoGrader and write a program that uses raw input to prompt a user for their name and welcomes them. And you're going to do this. So I'm going to first do this not in the AutoGrader. I'm going to do it on my desktop, and later I'll do it in the AutoGrader. So by now I hope you know, if you're working on your desktop. For those of you who aren't using desktop, you can just watch this. So I've got to write a program that uses raw input. And so raw input is a function. I need a variable, name equals raw underscore input. If you've watched the lectures, what is your name? So basically raw input pauses a program, prompts with the what is your name prompt, and then whatever you type is moved into the variable name. Okay? And then I will say print hello, comma, name. And that says print the string hello, then afterwards go in that variable name. So this is the first line and then the second line. Okay, and so that's hello name. And so that's our little program. And I'm going to save this file, save as. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to make a new folder called PR4E and go into that folder, and I'm going to save my file as assignment 2.2.py. It's best to not use spaces in your assignment names. Just use like dashes, and don't get too tricky. I mean, your operating system often can handle this. So I've got this. It's in my home directory. That's what that little tilde means. Desktop PR4E assignment 2.2.py. And now I've got a terminal program or command line if you're running on Windows. And then I'm going to go into my desktop because I'm in my home directory already with CD desktop. Then I'm going to go into PR4E, and then I'm going to type the command ls. Now if you're on Windows, you type dir. And now I see that I've got this file. It's the file that I just saved up there. And in Windows, you would actually type asn2.py. You don't need to type Python. But in the Mac, you type Python and then the file name, ASSN2. So you'll notice I said ASSN, I do this so fast, ASN2, and I hit the tab key and it completes for me automatically. And that says load up Python and then read the program instructions in that file, Python ASSN2.py. What's your name? Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Okay? So then we ran it. Now let's go back to the AutoGrader. Now if you are just using the AutoGrader to do your development, you type in this program. But if you're using your desktop, the clever thing to do is just copy, and then come over here and then paste in the working code. Okay, and then I'll type check code, and this is the raw input here is going to pop up a dialog box, and the prompt is what is your name, and it tells you you're supposed to type Sarah. Well, let me make a mistake. Sorry, can't type Sarah because I typed too fast. So it's going to run, the program's going to run, and now it's going to say mismatch and say please correct your code and rerun because I didn't match the desired output. I don't have to change my program, I just have to type the right thing. So this time when it asks me, I'll type Sarah. And now, hello Sarah, and I get a match, and it does the grade updating on the server. Okay? So that's pretty much it. I mean, if you really wanted to, you would, type name equals, you can just do all your coding right here. What What? I type so terribly. What is your name? I mean, I can run this. Oh, wait. Raw input is not defined on line 1. Oh, well, I missed a W. I missed a W. So I can edit it here, and then I can say run it. But then there's no output because I don't have a print statement here. And I got a little coaching here. It says you must use the print statement. So even if your output looks perfect, it sometimes wants to coach you on what you did. It says, hey, you must use the print statement to print the line of output. Thank you, virtual coach in the AutoGrader. And so, oops, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so then I will put a print name, and I'll check that. And Sarah. And it says Sarah, and that looks like good, but it's like it wants hello Sarah, so now we've got to go hello Sarah. Now the space gets added just by the comma actually adds a space. Keep dragging these things on my screen. Hello Sarah, now the output matches, it looks happy, and my grade's updated on the server. So there you go, kind of using both the terminal and command line to do program 2.2 and then pasting it in the AutoGrader or just writing it in the AutoGrader. I hope this has helped you. See you in the forums.